Yes, today is my birthday. My team is the best present ever. Our HubSpot UI extension is now available to everyone. You can get all the data-paired AI analysis right inside HubSpot. First, you get it right on the deal in the main panel with the overall AI health and details around progression, intent, and more. You can even create tasks based on the AI suggestions. Second, you get a sidebar card so the AI is always visible. Third, and super cool, you can chat with your deal using the Data Parrot Conversational AI. Ask it any question in plain language. It knows the whole context of that deal. Engagements, contacts, companies, everything related to this deal, and all of the associated companies and contacts and their engagements. You can try Data Parrot completely free in 3 simple steps. 1, get the Data Parrot app from the HubSpot Marketplace. 2, nothing for you to do. The AI self-onboards. No onboarding, no configuration, no setup. AI just figures everything out. 3, once you get notified that the AI is done, you just go to your HubSpot portal, you add the cards. That's it. Thanks again to my team for making this happen and for all of our customers who provided support and feedback throughout our beta. Looking forward to hearing what you think about the app.